Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
Ogni fase è pensata per rendere il tuo apprendimento attivo ed efficace. Un primo ascolto senza testo, per allenare la tua comprensione orale. Un secondo ascolto con il testo, per associare le parole alla pronuncia. Poi la traduzione, per assicurarti di comprendere il significato. Un ultimo ascolto e ripetizione ad alta voce, per allenare il tuo cervello a parlare inglese. Infine, un piccolo esercizio di ascolto per testare la tua comprensione. Iniziamo.
Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand.
Scusa, non capisco.
Repeat. Sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that.
Scusa, non ho capito.
Repeat. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Scusa, non ho sentito bene.
Repeat. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry? Sorry?
Scusa?
Repeat. Sorry? Pardon? Pardon?
Come?
Repeat. Pardon? Excuse me, what did you say? Excuse me, what did you say?
Scusami, cosa hai detto?
Repeat. Excuse me, what did you say? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Potresti ripeterlo, per favore?
Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please?
Potresti dirlo di nuovo, per favore?
Repeat. Could you say that again, please? Would you mind repeating that? Would you mind repeating that?
Ti dispiacerebbe ripeterlo?
Repeat. Would you mind repeating that? One more time, please. One more time, please.
Ancora una volta, per favore?
Repeat. One more time, please. What was that? What was that?
Cosa? Come hai detto?
Repeat. What was that? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
Potresti parlare più piano, per favore?
Repeat. Could you speak more slowly, please? Sorry, that was too fast for me. Sorry, that was too fast for me.
Scusa, era troppo veloce per me.
Repeat. Sorry, that was too fast for me. Could you speak up a bit, please? Could you speak up a bit, please?
Potresti parlare un po' più forte, per favore?
Repeat. Could you speak up a bit, please? It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again? It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again?
C'è un po' di rumore qui. Potresti ripeterlo?
Repeat. It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again? I don't know that word. I don't know that word.
Non conosco questa parola.
Repeat. I don't know that word. What does summarize mean? What does summarize mean?
Cosa significa summarize?
Repeat. What does summarize mean? Sorry, what's summarize? Sorry, what's summarize?
Scusa, cosa vuol dire summarize?
Repeat. Sorry, what's summarize? Could you say that in simpler words? Could you say that in simpler words?
Potresti dirlo con parole più semplici?
Repeat. Could you say that in simpler words? Could you spell that, please? Could you spell that, please?
Potresti fare lo spelling, per favore?
Repeat. Could you spell that, please? How do you spell that? How do you spell that?
Come si scrive?
Repeat. How do you spell that? Could you write it down for me? Could you write it down for me?
Potresti scrivermelo?
Repeat. Could you write it down for me? I understood the first part, but not the rest. I understood the first part, but not the rest.
Ho capito la prima parte, ma non il resto.
Repeat. I understood the first part, but not the rest. I got most of it, but what does summarize mean? I got most of it, but what does summarize mean?
Ho capito quasi tutto. Ma cosa significa summarize?
Repeat. I got most of it, but what does summarize mean? Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word. Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word.
Scusa, ho capito tutto tranne l'ultima parola.
Repeat. Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word. Listening challenge. Sorry, I didn't catch that. That was too fast for me. Could you repeat that more slowly, please? Can you type what you just heard? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.